printed on the 52nd week of 2001.
Today, JJ takes flight to save his little butterfly friend. Can he find a warm home for his buddy before the long, cold winter arrives?
Can he stay with you?
Then, we know you visited Smiling Meadow, but are you ready to discover Singing Meadow?
I hear it. It's coming from over there.
The sun is rising high up over Terrytown. Friends taking off and friends touching down. That's where you'll find that one of a kind JJ. JJ the jet plane.
That's me.
Never been another little guy like this. So much in love with the sky like this. So buckle up tight. It's a magical flight with JJ. JJ. JJ the jet plane.
That's me.
JJ's Butterfly Adventure.